What's up, Sushi Rolling family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a spicy California sushi roll. It will be really crunchy and delicious. Hope you're gonna love this. Okay, let's go. Okay, this I already washed 2-3 times. Now I'm going to make the try and I'm gonna mix it here. Reason why I wash this one is smell of the garlic will be go out, and another thing is it will be more crunchy. Now here I'm going to mix French garlic. I already cut it. It's enough, I think. Then I'll use here fine chopped onion chips, and I'm going to use the sriracha for the spiciness. You can add as per your wish how much spiciness you want, and this is the kimchi sauce. Now you can use sesame, that is the 7 special things to grazie. Okay, it will give extra flavor, aroma, textures, everything. Then just a little bit I'm going to use the lemon juice, not too much, just a little bit. Nice. Now I'm gonna mix it very well, and also you can add a little bit sesame oil here if you want. It will give extra aroma. I'm going to taste it. Wow, it's very good. I have here the seaweed. That is the nori maki seaweed. 2/3 of the whole seaweed nori. This time I'm going to make uramaki California spicy salmon sushi roll. This roll will be a bit more bigger than the normal uramaki. Normal uramaki normally use half seaweed, but this is the 2/3 of the seaweed. Let's use a little bit sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, and the spring onion. Now flip it. I'm not going to make the norimaki, so I'm going to make the California sushi roll. I love to use the cucumber and avocado. This avocado is not cooked, so I'm going to cut this side. This is the good one, and that is also good one. Then I'll use my spicy salmon. The smell is very good, nice. Then roll it. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it and gonna do the plating, okay? Once more, I'm going to give the little bit of squeeze to make the perfect shape. And here is the wasabi, and here is the ginger. And also, if you want to make a little bit more spicy, you can use the little bit togarashi on the top. Yes, this is how we can make crunchy and spicy California roll sushi with cooked salmon. I hope you're gonna try at your home. Let's be Sushi Lovers family. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day. What's up, Sushi Lovers family? What's up, Sushi Lovers family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh.
लग इन खिचिसकेको छ ल